Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. So today we will solve one question. I think it is much more interesting questions than before we use class, right? Starts with reading the questions. This is with your program from exercise 9.1, which is what this is. We have like a class restaurant, and we have class, and then we have a tree method, that is the init method for the initialization, and then the describe restaurant, second method, and the third method is open restaurant, right? And then we have an instance here to calling your class here, and then this is your attribute to calling your attribute name. This is the attribute individually, that is restaurant name here, and then the question type. Okay, and then we call the method here. This is how we use call the instance, and then dot, and then the method, and then kurung. So yep, we just copy here all of the code here, and then we copy. Okay, start with your program from exercise 9.1. Add an attribute called number saved with default value of 0. Then an attribute called number saved with a default value of 0. So the number saved here is like attribute, but we didn't pass it as a parameter. I mean, like this is the name parameter, this is the name parameter, but we just add here as what's the meaning number saved. So the self the number, what's the meaning number served, means 0. It's like initializations attribute without being a parameter. Have I clear? I mean, like this. This is the parameter, this is the parameter, and this is the attribute, this is the attribute, and this is the attribute. We add attribute called number saved here, but we didn't add as a parameter here. So number served is not here, it's not in the parameter. So just in being attribute with the default value of 0. And then create instance called restaurant from discuss. Yes, we have instance here restaurant, and then print the number of customer the restaurant has served. So we would like to add here calling describe restaurant dot like this, print wait a minute, I thinking restaurant that we can say that we actually just add like this restaurant that number because this is the 0, but somehow we add we can add the print message to make it much more easier for to read Python recommend message. Okay, good. So I would like to delete some item. Wait a minute. Print the number of customer the restaurant has served. Print. Okay, we can add here F. Okay. Restaurant has served with me. Restaurant has served here, and then here like this. it's much more easier to read what is 0 because there are no output. Yes, we have wait a minute, this is the name of the restaurant, and then this is the cuisine type, Indonesian cuisines. Okay, and then we can call, this is the method, and then this just the message that the restaurant is open. Okay, and print the number of customer the restaurant has served because it's 0, and then change this value and print it again. How to change the value? This is our first. I wanna make sure that more readable. We just add how we what meaning add 0. Oh, okay. So we add self dot, not self dot restaurant, yeah, but restaurant dot, yeah. Okay, I mean like this. Oh, wait. Yes, okay. Restaurant dot number saved, maybe 15. We changes. This is the first print the number customer. I wanna make here because, and then change the value and print again. Here is 15, and then we add like this. That's it. The restaurant has served restaurant number served. So the output will be restaurant has served 0, and then restaurant has served 15. Here, that's the questions, the main questions. Okay, and then add a method called increment number served. Let's let you in wait no. Add a method called a set number served that lets you set the number of customers that have been served, and call this method with a new number and print the value again. So we just add here def wait. Hello, we add here that we have, what do you mean, the second one is called method set method served. So we add set method served as a method, and then we have a self and then a number here. We just add here, and then yep, self method. Why restaurant is here? Okay, and then self dot why this is add a method called set number self that lets you set the number of customers that have been served. Call this method with a new number and print the value again. So we have set number, maybe, I don't know, it's like a number here, number, because the number is what's the meaning as a parameter. Wait, and then we add calling the method set the number here. Okay, calling the method here, and then restaurant has this. I wanna change this because to the output at the output will be different. Calling this method set the number served, and then why this changes? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm forgetting this must be in the here. Okay, okay, here calling the method set the numbers of, and then we just calling restaurant numbers like this. Restaurant dot, we calling the method set method serve, but we just add the number is maybe 30, and then we can expect that the output will be restaurant that is it how to calling, wait a minute, restaurant that set the method, is it true? I don't think so at this moment. Let's try. No, yes, okay, this wrong. How to solve this with the minute? So I what's wrong? Yes, because I here set the number, so I must add set the number, not set number here, set number. I think it is because yes here because I don't wanna calling the method, because we just changes the number here. Okay, let's try Python 3. Okay, right. I'm sorry, I forget. Okay, the third method is called increment number serve. What is the increment number serve? It's like to add the number of customer. We don't specify the default value like before. We add here that the specific value, the default value is 0, and then we changes to specific value is 15, and then we changes to maybe 13. In the increment number, we add the latest of the number, and then we add to the increment number that stay. I show you how it is. Increment number serve like this, and then that lets you increment the number of customers have been served, and then call this method with any numbers you like. That's called represent how many customers we serve in a day in a business. So I would like to self and then increment number here, and then I think I would like to self dot increment number is the last time is plus. Where's plus for the number, the last number? Is it okay? Wait, I think I would like to change this the wait increment number here. The last is the definition. Set number is the set number for the latest set number. I think I would like to here to add the increment number here. Okay. So if you add, and then calling this method, calling the latest here, calling increment number serve, what you expect the output will be, because restaurant dot here increment number serve maybe 100 1000. Okay, and then you can here restaurant dot set the number. Is it true or I think I would like to increment number. Nee, set the number because the increment number is 0. I would like, so the output is 1030. 10. Okay, it is wrong because the 0 is the increment number. So I would like to here the set number. Maybe I will change this here. Okay. But I think I would like to here changes this here because numbers of, because I would like to numbers of, yes, so make it easier for us to understand here. Okay, and then here is numbers of here. Set the, I would like to change this numbers of here as a increment number. I think it's okay. Maybe let's try it again. 100, not 100. I mean, this is wrong here. Yes, right. Yeah, so my iPhone changes the plus and yes, the equal here, because not equal and plus, but plus and equal. I'm sorry. The meaning of this is we have like the self number here as a basics the number, and then we add the increment number here. So this is our increment number, and then we add for the self number here. So if we have like before it's like 30, this from the method, the set method self, and then we just add our increment number 1000 to add here, and then that's why we can expect that output is will be in the additional. So that's why restaurant has served 1030 at this moment. So restaurant has served 1030 cuisine at this moment. So I hope I make you clear, because yeah, I forget to change the switch. This is, so this is okay, I wanna make a summary. Start with your program from exercise 9.1. We have like cross restaurant, right? And then we can add an attribute called a number server with a default value. We add the attribute that is number server, but we didn't add to the parameter here. This is the parameter. We just add being attribute, and the default value is 0. And then call this method with a new number and print the value again. This is our instance, right? And then we can the first one we calling restaurant number served, that is 0, and then we can change this value. We can change the number server. How to change this is just add the instance and then the number server as what the meaning attribute at 15. So that's why the output will be restaurant that number server is 15 at this moment, because this we changes from the value 0 to 15, right? And done. This is our first step. The second one is we call a method that is set number server. Set number server is like before, but we change in the method, not we changes in the method here, right? Not as a default value, as a value here. So we add we make method here. So we just make parameter. It's like same before, like a self, and then the number. What is number? Is our value. Our value. Okay, so this is the number self. It's like same before, and then the number is our value. So if we calling the method here, calling the method restaurant.set method serve 30, this is our value now. So that's why if we calling that restaurant.number served here is changed from the our value, the latest value is 15, changes to 30 at this moment. So that's why the output will be here. And then the latest is the increment number served. It's different that's before, because this is like make a default value, and then this is actually the same, but it's like different how to writing the code. But the increment number is to add the number served to your number. That's why I using the increment number here, because the increment number is 1000 here. If 1000 and then your method the number served is 30, that's why the output will be 1030 at this moment. So that's this code. I think I make clear to you that it is very easy to understand, very easy to learn. So the class is like to make it like a bundle. What kind of that code is being. That's why it is easy to use, easy to writing, and easy to to changes the value, to calling the value, to increment, to adding to your value. Yep, restaurant number served at this moment. That's why this is my code. Okay. And then don't forget to add to your terminal here. And then what's the meaning? Modifying for attribute value. Modifying attribute value, and then okay, done. Okay, let's try another questions. Bye.